right, 8th graders, this is to help you with question 6 on CR number 5. It says simplify 10 to the negative 6 over 10 to the negative 3. Okay, you first have to recognize that this is a division. So when we divide exponents with the same base, our base is a 10. What do? When you divide exponents with the same base, you subtract the exponents. So I'm going to take negative 6 minus a negative 3. I'm going to subtract my exponents and keep the base, which in this case is a 10. All right, so when I'm dividing, I have to keep my base of 10 and I have to subtract my exponents. So whatever is in the numerator, that exponent, you have to write that down. Then you're going to subtract, and then you have to put in the exponent from the denominator. So it's negative 6 minus a negative 3. What does minus a negative become? Minus a negative becomes a plus. So this is 10 to the negative 6 plus 3. 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. There's negative 6. If I'm at negative 6 and I add 3, I move back towards 0, 3. Where do I end up? I end up at a negative 3. So this is 10 to the negative 3 power. So I think they're just testing out, if you have a similar one on yours, which you should, they're testing out minus a negative, that becomes plus, negative 6 plus 3. You have to know that that ends up to be a negative 3. So that's 10 to the negative 3 power. I hope that helps. Dividing, keep the base, subtract the exponents.